Medical device manufacturing. A medical device is a gadget, material, software or an apparatus which can be used alone or in combinations, including the product proposed by the medical device manufacturer to be utilized particularly for diagnostic or potentially for therapeutic purposes. Medical device manufacturing includes all aspects of the fabrication of a medical device, from designing a manufacturing process to scale up to ongoing process improvements. It also includes the sterilization and packaging of a device for shipment. Throughout the manufacturing process, medical device makers strive to be faster and more efficient, but they also wish to be responsible corporate citizens. Thus, manufacturing demands constant insight into renewable resources, sustainable materials, equipment that is more energy efficient, and methods to reduce waste creation. Operon Strategist is a medical device regulatory consulting company which provides regulatory advisory and guidance to various manufacturers in the healthcare industry to ensure the strategic development of these manufacturers. We serve our clients by providing turnkey services, system implementation, training, licensing, regulatory approvals and certifications. Get in touch with us. Contact us at www.operonstrategist.com.